Hi guys, this is Paul Nunez from Paul's Picks. I wanted to touch base on something I witnessed today. The S&P yesterday was a red day. Today's November 5th, 2025. The S&P was up about 0.5%, but note yesterday, I think it was down about 1%, and yesterday being Tuesday, Monday it was down, Friday it was down, and so was it on Thursday. Last Wednesday, we did hit an all-time high of about 69,000, but you could see this thing trended right down to a lower level for trading days to about 6,700. And today it popped back up just a little bit. I watched about 100 momentum stocks, and I've been out of most of them, but what I noticed is some of them snap right back. I got right back in them, and I want to share this with you because you may find it as interesting as I have. The first one I will start out is with IREN. These are in hot sectors, they're technology sectors. Note that it hit a 52-week high today, up 14%. Yesterday, it had a green day, but it ended up substantially lower, but not too far off from its all-time highs. My point is, I just went over the chart with the S&P. It hit all-time highs last week, came down and only came back up a fraction. And I have a bucket or a handful of stocks, I should say, that snap right back up to their all-time high. This is a good, nice one in that we still have lots of volume. We have a MACD just starting to cross over, and we have generally a rising price action versus the S&P 500. Very nice. Another stock in the same sector is CIFR. Same kind of thing where you see this downtrend for the last 2 weeks, but then hovering back up and back to an all-time high again today. This is up 9.7% on reasonable volume. MACD has crossed yesterday, which was a down day, about 1% down, yet this stock pulled right back up. I like that. Let's go through another one. I bought into a company, LITE. You could see it had a downtrend, but the catalyst to kick this up was not only the turnaround in today's action, but the earnings. Even with earnings yesterday, this stock trended right back up with high volume today on only 0.5%, so with 11 million. This has good momentum. Should the market continue to go up, this stock will go up, I think. Let's see what else we got here. One other good example, SANM. Note 2 weeks ago, had hit an all-time high, got hurt. Earnings was Monday. Yesterday was negative action. It hit its all-time high yesterday on a down day, and then up 8.6% today with positive action. Still plenty of liquidity down here. This is the S&P, and this is the stock's trend. This one's much more volatile than, for instance, IREN, because you can see IREN is more of a gradual lift versus SANM. Other stocks to notate that I got into today, Next Tracker. This is in the solar field, but it is technical. Still technology. Down price action yesterday, but look at this price action today, and look at this liquidity for the last little over a week. And I'll just put in WDC, which is Western. Slightly hurt yesterday, but came right back up to all-time high. And I will show you this blue line, which is its upwards momentum away from the S&P, meaning it's outperforming the S&P. So I like these stocks that snap right back, even though the S&P it's not, it's trending up towards its all-time high, but not at its all-time high. And you can check out these stocks that are at their all-time high. Leave a note, not financial advice, and I will see you on the trading floor. Thanks a lot for listening.